Fairyland. Today we're gonna make Reindeer cupcakes. We'll be needing cake mix, wet ingredients, cupcake wrappers, leftover candy, candy eyeballs, pretzels, Oreos, Nutella, mixing spoon, measuring cup, spoon to flatten all the Nutella, and icing. Have an adult to help you turn the oven to 350. While the oven's warming up, mix the wet ingredients. Now we pour the wet ingredients in the dry ingredients. Now mix it. Elf's mixing it. Elf's mixer. Now put the cupcake wrappers in the cupcake tin. Now use a measuring cup to scoop up the batter to put in the cupcake cases. Now it's time to put the cupcakes in the oven. Let the cupcakes bake for 19 minutes. Once the cupcakes are baked, let it cool for 10 minutes. Now you put the Nutella on the cupcakes. Now it's time to decorate. Use the pencils to make the antlers. Now use the Oreos and make the face. Put on icing to put the nose on or the eyes. Rudolph had it to hide his nose, so they put mud over it. This looks like mud, so add the nose. And I'm going to do this to another cupcake I want. Now we get to taste it! Oh, I think this is good. I'm gonna start with the. I can put it good. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe. Bye! Bye! You should taste one too. You want one?